everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to log in to Epic 7 game. To log into Epic 7, launch open the Epic 7 app on your device and from the main login screen, click on Login. From the next page, you will be given several login options, that is, sign in with guest, sign in with email, Apple, Google, X, Facebook, and with Naver. Select your preferred login method. Since I chose email option to sign up, I'm gonna do the same. On the next page, enter your login credentials. Type down your ID and password associated with your account, and right after you do that, select the server, and then there you have successfully logged into your account. And that is how you easily log in to Epic 7 in just a couple of steps. All you need to do is to choose a login method and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.